Hey Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook account. This video is very useful for you who wants to change password on Facebook account. There are two cases to change your Facebook password. The first case is because of you forget your Facebook password, and the second case is because you want to change your password without any reason. Okay, for the first I'm going to show you how to change password if you forget your Facebook password. Just open browser and then just type facebook.com. You can read forgotten password, just type this and just enter your mobile number. If you have registered your Facebook account by using your email, you can just tap search by your email address or name instead. Okay, just enter your email address. After entering your email address, just click search. And if you have been sure that this is your Facebook account, just tap try another way. Okay, you can choose some options here. Send code via email, use my Google account, or enter password to login. If you forget your password, you can just tap send code via email and then just tap continue. After tapping continue, Facebook will send you a link or a code to your email, and then you can just tap the link and change your Facebook password. That is the first case if you have forgotten your Facebook password. The second case is if you want to change Facebook password without any reason. Okay, just open Facebook app. Okay, I will open Facebook app. And then you can just tap three-line menu on the bottom right corner. And then just scroll down. Just tap settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, just tap settings. In settings and privacy, you can just tap password and security. And in the login, you can change password. Just tap this. In change password, you can just enter your current password. You can enter your new password and also retype your new password. After filling all of these forms, and then you can tap update password. After tapping update password, your Facebook password will be changed. That is the second case. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you who wants to change your Facebook password. If you like this video, you can just tap like, and also you can share this video to your friends who need these informations. You can also watch my other videos on my channel, Fauhow channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about how to change Facebook password, you can just give comment below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.